back here with Uncle Ed's 04 Nissan Titan. As you can see, got the nice fresh paint job, ready for sale. Uncle Ed is ready for sale. It's time to send her down the road. 04 Nissan Titan 5.6. Let's look back and do a little zoom. What I really want y'all to see, what I really want y'all to hear, is these Flowmasters right here. So we'll crank it up. Sounds like a truck, but you'll hear that in a moment. Come on, let's get some focus. There we go, focus. Listen to that. Then I tell you, it sounds like a truck. How a truck's supposed to sound, ain't it? I think I'm gonna hook up one of these other cameras and do a little drive, get a little drive video going. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. So I'm trying one more time while still a little bit of daylight left to get some footage for y'all of the truck, you know, some in-car driving audio of this exhaust, because I recorded earlier, but chances are I won't be able to use the files because I was struggling with those cheap action cams, you know, the ones you get from the ones you order off of eBay. They come from China, and every time I record, my footage always says, you know, I try to pull up the file and play back the video, and then it says the file doesn't work, or it cannot play, or file is corrupt or something. So I'm heading up to the gas station right now, put some gas back in Ump's truck before I take it back to him. So let y'all hear how it sounds from the inside riding down the road. I'm using my phone right now. I know my phone is gonna record, but those other cameras, man, I don't know what's going on. So if somebody know what's going on, and if you had the same problem trying to use an action cam, let me know. Drop me a comment or something. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. Let me know if it's something I can fix, or do I just need to go ahead, suck it up, and invest in a GoPro. I can can invest in a GoPro or two. You know, if I get enough views. Just putting it out there. But let's see. This traffic light turns green. We get the I didn't really get into it and let y'all hear it. It sounds real good. These Flowmasters. But yeah, fresh paint job. Unk is ready to sell too. So if you're in the southeastern Virginia area seeing this video, this is November 20th. Oh yeah, you sound good, don't you? Sound like a truck's supposed to, right? But yeah, you know, in the Norfolk, Virginia Beach, Chesapeake, Portsmouth, Suffolk, Hampton, Newport News, you know, anywhere in the 7 cities, southeastern Virginia, you know, or surround, or maybe in the country areas, Franklin, Southampton County, anything like that. Yeah, I ain't that far away either. Yorktown, you know. 2004 Nissan Titan, fresh paint job, original color, 91,955 on the odometer. So she got low miles. And these Flowmasters, they're not true duals, but dual exhaust, they split. But yeah, this thing sounds so good. I should have shot this video going on the highway. Up to Walmart right now. Some gas. Should have took it out to BJ's. BJ's gas seemed like it burned slower. But yeah, I just wanted y'all to hear it. Sounds so good. Oh yeah, Unc is asking 12 stacks, so I'm gonna be posting it on OfferUp. You're seeing this video, if it's not sold before you see the video, you know. Probably posting on OfferUp. I might do Craigslist, but you know how Craigslist is. Get all those solicitations. If I wanted help selling my vehicle, I would ask. But you know how that goes. Gotta advertise. I guess some people didn't know, right? Some people might want help selling their vehicle, but I don't. I can sell a vehicle myself. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video. I just wanted y'all to get a good idea. You know, the video can't do it justice, but you know, you gotta hear it in person. But it does sound really, really good. But I'll catch y'all later. And again, I said, let me know if y'all having the same type of problems with your if you're trying to use action cams and they record, and then once they're recorded, you can't play back the video, because that's the trouble I'm having. I'm starting to get on my nerves. So yeah, anybody know what's going on with that or can clue me in on a solution, you know, comment, something, let me know what's going on. But I'll holler at y'all later. Till the next video.